Bongani Zungu, Amazulu FC's recent midfield acquisition, has opened up about the personal journey that led to his return to professional football. After parting ways with Mamelodi Sundowns at the end of the previous season, Zungu chose to step away from the game, taking several months to focus on his mental well-being. The 32-year-old midfielder, who officially signed with Usutu in December 2024, has already made an impact on the pitch, scoring a goal on his two appearances for the KwaZulu-Natal outfit. In an exclusive interview with Idiski Times journalist, Zungu revealed the challenges he faced during his hiatus and how he used the time to recalibrate his career and life, and said, "For me personally, I needed time for myself because I was going through some difficulties mentally." Zungu candidly shared, "It was a very challenging period, so I made the decision to spend time with my family and reflect on what I truly wanted and needed for my career at this moment in time. That break was incredibly valuable." Despite the demands of staying fit without a team, Zungu remained disciplined, training solo to maintain his physical condition while strengthening his mental resolve, and said, "Training alone is tough, but I used it as an opportunity to build mental strength. I wanted to ensure that when I returned, I would be in the best possible headspace." Zungu, a former player for French side and Scottish giants Glasgow Rangers, emphasized the importance of prioritizing mental health in a demanding profession like football. His decision to take a step back and prioritize himself is now paying off as he embarks on this new chapter with Amazulu FC. Now back in the game and seemingly revitalized, Zungu is focused on meaningful contributions to Usutu's campaign. His story is a powerful reminder of the significance of mental well-being in both sports and life. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.